Hello, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to review this Boiler Mod 6-in-1 tripod. You can see how it works. I do a lot of video taping and I really want a tripod for my cell phone. So we're going to see how this works. This is what it looks like inside. We have the tripod. Which extends nicely. It has a Bluetooth adapter that you charge up with the charging thing. That way you can take still pictures when you use it as a selfie. It has a ball bearing top here that you tighten down to the angle you want it. It comes with a mount for a GoPro camera. It screws on nicely. It comes with a mount for a regular camera that works like on the tripod that I have the camera mounted on right now. It screws nicely. And then it comes with a phone holder. It has a screw here and a screw area here, so you can do it at different angles. Screws on nice and tight. That'll work. Okay. And this expands up so it holds the phone nice and tight. There we go. Oh, that's secure. That's really secure. And if you want to do a selfie, you can hold it out like this. This can loosen up and you can put it at an angle and tighten it back up. One problem is that you have to tighten it really tight. But the stick itself is nice and steady, holds it nice. And then you can push the button here once it gets charged and take your picture. Now I had looked on internet for these and found them anywhere from price. I think the lowest one I found was like $20, and this one was just at a little over about $16 by the time shipping in hand, not shipping in hand, but taxes were included. So for an instant buy, this isn't bad. Not bad at all. There we go. So, if you like this review, give the channel a thumbs up, subscribe to it, and I'll see you next time. Remember, dream big. Bye.